आपल्याक मेळिल्ल्या पदाचो गैरवापर केल्ल्यान गोवा फॉरवर्ड आनी खंवटे हांकां मंत्री पदावयल्यान देंवयल्यात अशें टिकात्मक उलोवप मंत्री मायकल लोबोन केला। त्या भायर पर्रीकराक ज्या सुवातेर अग्नी दिल्ली त्या सुवातेर पत्रकार परिशद घेवन विजय सरदेसायान आपली आशिल्ली लज काडल्या म्हूण उलोवप मंत्री लोबोन केला। RDX गोवा खातीर दोना पावलाच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार आनी विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
He's abused the legacy of Parrikarji. He is no longer any closer to that.
What about Rohan County?
I am not talking about Rohan County. I am only talking very specific that he has charged our chief minister on something that he should say that he is a Goan or not Goan. Something he was saying. I was looking at the Facebook.
He also said, the
lot of things which is wrong. This is nothing but he has got totally, he is out of place. A fish is out of water. He's become like that. It's not a question of anybody is free to go over there. But that sanctity is there of that place. Manohar Parrikar has left a legacy behind. And we are saying that we should follow it. First he should himself remember that what was his legacy. He doesn't know what was his legacy. I'm not against it, but he's trying to misuse his legacy. Goenkar Pond, the name Goenkar Pond, Goenkar Pond is misusing. All are Goans. We are proud Goans. स्वाभिमानी गोंयकार आमी ते आतां आमकां गोंयकाराचे कितें शिक्को मारूंक सोदता टॅग मारता अशें तूं मार रे शिक्कोचेर हो गोंयकार अशें आहा कितें जे थोड्यांनी कितें म्हटलां तांकां थंय उतरां ती सारकी हांव म्हणोंक सोदिना तो म्हाजो फ्रेंड आनी तेणें तें आपलें कितें आहा तें सांबाळून दवरचें उरलां पळय तें थोड्यांनी he has to say what was his contribution for the last 2 years. As a minister, town and country planning, deputy CM misused that position. But he is talking about misusing legacy of Parrikar. I am telling you, he has misused that position of his.
He is trying to put a narrative that now he is going to take Parrikar's legacy forward, which has been destroyed by this government.
I'll tell you something. Nobody can destroy Parrikar's legacy. Parrikar was by himself. Whatever he has done, people have seen. They are no longer even closer to it. आम्ही हाडलेलो तो मनीस बरो म्हणून आमकां खबर नासली तेजो एजेंडा कितें आहलो पळय तो एजेंडा आख्खे गोंयकारांक हिसारशी कळतलें ते गोंयकारपण म्हणजे कितें पळय ते कितें केलां पळय ते लोकूच जाणा आख्खो गोंयचो सांगपाची गरज ना तो तरी आमचो फ्रेंड तो हांव म्हणटा तरी फ्रेंड म्हणून पूण तेणें असलें करूंक पारना हो मिसयूज करता सगळें आतां चालू आहा पळय तें सी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देर लेट चीफ मिनिस्टर डिसायड just because he has put some allegations on chief minister I am responding to it. That is not called legacy that he is taking forward by going to the place samarak of our honorable ex chief minister Manohar Parrikar. They are no longer closer to that. Tenka laws are tenka tinga ospak laws ikla danger